Like our official launch date, I believe, was 30 years ago in September of 1995. That facility was 5,000 square feet at the time. We got busy enough at our facility in Crystal Lake, we outgrew it. We continued to expand. This building that we're currently in is over 106,000 square feet.
I mean, we have really what you could break down into 3 or 4 business groups: corrosive gas and corrosive liquid handling. It could be pipe fabrication, water treatment, wastewater treatment, power generation, on-highway tanks. Our goal is to build a better product than our competitors, which in the end saves them money. 100% of our fabricators are either apprentices or certified. As far as we know, we are the only plastic fabrication company in the United States with a 100% DVS certification program.
Our growth since we've been working with OuterBox has been significant. We've grown 4 times.
The primary reason for them reaching out to us was just around our industrial knowledge, for us to really understand their business and be able to be a partner to them.
OuterBox's ability to cater to our market seems to be on spot.
When we're marketing to those end users, they find us through the help of OuterBox, and they're going through a learning curve that might be months before they ever make contact.
We started in 2015, and they actually started with just paid search. There was only about a month difference in us doing paid search with them and then them signing on for SEO with us.
They were able to bring in leads that were valuable and immediate.
We've got 5 years of 20% growth and a constant flow of fresh leads and fresh customers that are coming in here.
The team that we worked with not only made an investment worth it, but we wanted to come to work even more.
We've gained a trust for their input to the point that we now just tell them that whatever changes they feel need to be made, to go ahead and make them, because they have done so well with that stuff for us.
One of the most rewarding things in working with Chicago Plastic Systems is really being able to see their business grow. I attribute a lot of the success that we've been able to do through digital marketing, and then also their success in their business, to just our partnership together and just that fulfilling relationship, to be able to see the value on both ends.
There is absolutely no question that we would recommend OuterBox. In fact, anytime SEO marketing comes up, we recommend folks contact OuterBox. This is the fastest way, this is the best way to capitalize on incoming leads and SEO.